This is a review of the RYOBI 18 volts 1/2 drill that I would definitely recommend. This drill right here, you can see that there's a charger right here that is sold separately, but if you have this, it attaches to this, and once you attach to that, your drill should turn on. And you can see here, this is the on and off button right here. So when I press this, you could also see that there's an LED light lamp right over here. So if you're working in tight corners or in a dark place, then the LED lamp will turn on as well too. So when I'm hitting pretty much when I turn it on, it turns on and it lights up. Then right here, you can see it has two different speed settings. So this is setting number 1 if you want it very light and smooth. Then right here, when I click on number 2, it goes a little bit faster. So if you're trying to drill a little bit quick, then it does that as well too. A little bit faster as compared to setting number 1. But yeah, this right here is the adjust. You could adjust this to different levels from 14, 16. It's adjustable where you can change your settings. And right when I'm holding it, it feels very durable and it feels very lightweight as well too. Even with the battery charger attached to it on the bottom, it still feels very lightweight. And I would definitely recommend this 18 volts 1/2 drill from RYOBI because of how it is extremely lightweight and a small compact size. And overall, I've been using this for quite a while now and would definitely recommend this to everyone that is looking for a new drill. Then this one is probably one of the best ones for your home remodeling, or pretty much for anything that you need to drill holes. Then this is probably one of the best drills.